Hi, today you are going to work on the doubling rule. This is a skill that you struggled with on Lexia, so this is just kind of a reteaching lesson. I'm going to go through some basics. If you have somebody that could sit with you during this lesson, that would be helpful, but if not, just do your best. All right, so the doubling rule is when a base word has one syllable. So that means one opening of the mouth for a vowel sound. Remember, a syllable is when we open our mouth for a vowel. Okay, so it should have one vowel and one consonant at the end. Okay, if this is true, then you're going to double the final consonant before adding a vowel suffix like ing or ed, because those are endings that start with a vowel. Okay, so I'm going to say that one more time. For the doubling rule, the base word has only one syllable, it has one vowel, and one consonant at the end. You double the final consonant before adding a vowel suffix. All right, I'm going to just work with you really quickly on recognizing one syllable words. So I'm going to read some words to you, and I want you to write these words down on a piece of paper, on a whiteboard. You can open the document that I have attached with this video, and you could type them there. Okay, here are the words. I want you to only write down the ones that are one syllable. Okay, the words are run, bat, walking, plot, joke, stir, happy. Okay, I'm going to read them again. Run, bat, walking, plot, joke, stir, happy. All right, these are the words you should have identified. Run, bat, plot, and stir. All right. How many consonants do you see at the end of each word right after the vowel? So if we look at the word run, R-U-N, there's one consonant. If we look at bat, B-A-T, there's one consonant. Plot, P-L-O-T, there's one consonant at the end. And stir, S-T-I-R, there is one consonant at the end. Sorry, that's backwards for you. All right. Okay, we're going to talk about vowel suffixes and consonant suffixes. Okay, listen to these suffixes, and I want you to think, does it begin with a vowel, or does it begin with a consonant? Okay, your first suffix is ing, ing. Does that start with a vowel or a consonant? The next one is ed, ed. You can even be writing these down. Your next suffix is Does it begin with a vowel or a consonant? All right, lee, like playfully. The next one is meant, meant. The next suffix is s. The following one is N. N. And the last one is full. Full. All right. So if you look at these, you should have ing, ed, ly, meant, s, n, and full. All right. Okay, I'm going to show you a word. Winning. W-I-N-N-I-N-G. It might be helpful if you write this down since I think my screen is backwards to you. Okay. All right, this is the word winning. W-I-N-N-I-N-G. So if we look, the root word or the base word or the first syllable is win. Okay, so I'm going to ask myself, is the base word one syllable? W-I-N. My mouth opens one time for a vowel. When. So, yes, that's a one syllable base word. The second question I ask myself, does the base word have one vowel? W-I-N. I is the only vowel and it's short, so I can mark it with a brief. Okay, step 3, does the base word end in one consonant? Letter N is a consonant. Okay, then I look, does the suffix begin with a vowel? So our suffix is ing. Okay, and ing begins with a vowel. So if we follow the doubling rule, we need to double the N because it's one syllable, it has one vowel, it has one consonant, and the suffix begins with a vowel. So we're going to double the consonant in the first syllable to have 2. Okay? All right. Okay, the next thing I'm going to have you do is look at the document that I shared with you. It should be labeled doubling. You're going to open that, and it's going to show you several columns. Okay, the first one gives you a word, and then it gives you the steps to go through. So I'm going to have you answer those. Step 1, is it a one-syllable word? Yes or no. Step 2, does it have one vowel? Yes or no. Step 3, does it end in a consonant? Yes or no. And then step 4, does it begins with a vowel? Does the suffix begin with a vowel? Okay, and you're going to ask yourself that question about the suffix. The first 3 steps, you're looking at the base word. Okay, and then in the last column, you're going to rewrite the word, and you're either going to double the consonant or you're going to leave it based off of those questions. If you answer yes to all 4 of those questions, you should be doubling. If you answer no to any of those, you should not double. Okay, so you're applying what you know. Okay, I'm going to do one more example with you. Okay, so they might give you like this, bat plus suffix er. Okay, that's a plus sign. Okay, so I'm going to ask myself the 4 questions. Is it a one-syllable word? Bat. Bat. My mouth should open one time for the vowel, so yes, it's a short vowel. Ah. Okay, I'm going to ask myself the next question. Is there one vowel? Yes. Does it end in a consonant? Yes, T is a consonant. And does the suffix begin with a vowel? Yes. So we answered yes to all 4 questions. So that tells me I'm going to double before adding the consonant. So my new word now is going to be B-A-T-T-E-R. The next batter is Max. Okay? So that's how you're going to do that. Not all of them are necessarily going to follow the doubling rule. Okay? So you have to think and apply these skills. All right, that's it for today. Go ahead and finish the document that I sent you. Make sure once you filled it in, you go back into Google Classroom and attach it from your Google Drive and then submit it through Google Classroom. Okay? All right, thank you.